Welcome to Insurance Alerts broadcast. I am Vivek Jain here. Today, we have with us is Mr. Rishi Mathur. He is Chief Distribution Officer, Alternate Channel, and Chief Strategy Officer for Canara HSBC Life Insurance Company. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Jain. Thanks for the opportunity to be on this video interview.
Yeah. Sir, my first question to you was what are the challenges and opportunities are there in rural areas in India, specifically for life insurance companies?
Right. I think for life insurance companies, there are many opportunities. I think India is not just about the metros, but about a large number of tier 2, tier 3 cities, as well as our rural hinterland. And for us at Canara HSBC Life, we have actually been working very closely, with our partner banks and also our regional rural banks to increase our insurance penetration in all parts of India, including rural India. So obviously, when we go to smaller towns and rural India, we do face a slightly different set of challenges. The distribution is slightly different. Our partner bank branches do reach out to rural places as well. So we have the opportunity to be able to speak and engage with rural customers. The marketing mix is definitely different when we go to rural India. It does follow a more different approach than what we would target for our metro and urban customers. But I think one equalizer that we have seen now is the spread of digital and smartphone, and that is actually across all spectrum. So I think that is one way in which we are able to kind of reach out and engage with customers across the length and breadth of India. And I think that penetration is now available to across the board. So I think that's one new opportunity that has opened up.
What are the initiatives or programs which are run by your bank for rural marketing, especially for the rural areas?
Right. So as an insurer, we are also, working actively in terms of our, state insurance plans. As you know, IRDA is keen to, look at insurance for all by 2047. And as a part of that, there are, initiatives where each of the insurers have been assigned to specific states. So we have, Delhi and Karnataka as our primary states where we are the lead insurers. There are a whole host of marketing activities which we do in terms of on-ground activation, in terms of working with local rural governance entities, panchayats as well in spreading insurance awareness. So a lot of our work here is more in terms of spreading insurance awareness, making sure that customers in rural areas are aware of the benefits of insurance to in their lives. And I think we are also, actively participating in the state level insurance committees, working with the government to further the penetration of insurance. We are also very active participants in the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Bima Yojana, PMJJBY, where we cover a large number of customers. That, of course, includes both rural and urban customers, but we have a fairly large portfolio of PMJJBY customers, where customers can get a very basic, term cover, which is very important for their family's safety at a very reasonable cost. So I think the message of protection for all, is something which we are spreading across rural India as well.
Have you designed different products for rural area, or what exactly you look at it? There should be, it's different than what we generally sell in the cities.
So I think, Mr. Jain, the difference in my, understanding for rural versus urban customers is, I think, a matter of, how we present the proposition. The underlying product may be similar, but the needs and requirements of the rural customer may be different. For example, the rural customer may be requiring, a more stable source of income, which is important. Therefore, in our product, we may have the flexibility that you could take the benefits in the form of a regular income stream, which may be more popular, say for example, in a rural situation, or a money back kind of a structure may be more popular. So we have a whole suite of products. I think depending upon how the proposition suits for that particular set of customers or segment of customers, we would change the proposition and the way in which it is offered. The underlying product may be largely similar. Also, I think apart from rural, we work with with the defense forces. So we have a specific product called Guaranteed Suraksha Kavach, which is available to the Jawans and officers of our defense forces. So we see a lot of positive traction from that, and where we are actually running a channel called Garv, where we sell our products to defense forces, and there we do a bit of customization to the product to make sure that it is aligned to the specific requirements of our soldiers. So we do that type of customization, but for specific segments. For rural customers, what we see is that when we work with the regional rural banks, simple guaranteed products are the ones which actually work very well with this target segment.
Now technology is playing a very important role in every field. Like even in personal life, also technology is playing a very important role. What your bank is doing toward this, especially for the rural areas?
So I think you're very right that now with the spread of the smartphone revolution, almost everybody has access to technology, and how technology is pervaded all our daily lives. And I think insurance sector is no exception to this. I think we have now been able to provide all the functionalities that are required. So from a customer of ours to service to engage with us on our customer app. So the Canara HSBC Life customer app is actually a one-stop shop where the customer can actually engage with us, whether it is for his renewal payment, which he can do in a with a single click, or whether he's able to kind of find out more about his own policy, make certain changes as required. So what we are doing is we are providing the enablement and the functionality in the hands of the customer. He doesn't have to necessarily have to call us, or engage or visit our branch or our partner bank branches, but a lot of it is self-service, and can be done by the customer at his own convenience. So this is how we are really leveraging technology, and we are providing therefore a DIY or do it yourself solution to our existing customers. And in addition, of course, we have a large sales support team, and in that we are actually using a lot of technology enabled tools to ensure that our salespeople are able to explain, to be able to engage with our customers in a easy and simple manner. And we use a lot of journey optimization, how customer journeys can be created, how people can fill up the form in a much simpler and straightforward manner. So we are using a lot of technology at the front end and at the back end to optimize our processes in the way that they touch our customers or our salespeople. So both places, I think technology enablement is playing a very significant role.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable time. And we will be in touch with you for more updates in times to come.
Thank you, Mr. Jain. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
Thank you, sir. नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।